Hey there, welcome back friends. From this section we will start exploring the concept of multi-threading. Now friends, as the name suggests, it is something to deal with multiple operations or multiple threads or multiple subprocesses, right? And if you are thinking so, you are correct. Multi-threading is all about multitasking. Now friends, to be very honest, when it comes to web technologies, web development, multi-threading, pooling and these kind of things are managed internally and automatically. Usually multi-threading is something which is used when it comes to standalone application, and there are like different scenarios where multi-threading can be used. But learning multi-threading, is it worth it? I would say you should and you need to and you must know it. That's a good thing to know. As a result, we have created this short and sweet section where we will discuss about multi-threading and synchronization. First of all, we will talk about multi-threading, and then when it comes to synchronization, we will again check how we can control these threads, how we can control the multiple operations, and how we can like sync the operations with each other. Now friends, move along with this section. Don't emphasize too much. Take information, take knowledge out of it. But by the end of the day, this section is a good to know information. Alright, so multi-threading is something which we will learn in our next section. Even if you miss out couple of things related to multi-threading, it's alright. It is kind of little difficult to understand for a beginner. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.